This is my another video about YouTube and how to make money and how to maximize your income. Well, once again, so here is my channel that I've been running over almost 1 year. Actually, it's pretty much going to be 2 years. Now here another amazing discovery that I found, and then I wanted to share with you guys, especially if you're a new content creator on YouTube on 2023 or on forward. So there are a few ways to optimize your income, but the thing I'm going to talk now here, I'm going to say that even if you don't have a lot of fans, even if your YouTube channel is not monetized, you can still make a lot of amount of money, but you have to know how to do the conversion. Okay, if you don't know different ways of doing conversion, then you'll still not make money even if you get monetized. So what I'm going to share with you is a very useful, super useful tip to maximize your income. Now I'll start it from here. This is the story. Now here, this is a tutorial that I have released actually, I think almost 3 weeks ago. And as you see, last 24 hours, it's got 6.9K views. It's not bad for a channel like this. We'll have some videos that all get more views like this, some videos, but not all of them. So anyway, so this is the story where it starts. So this video I have recorded, and well, as you see, all last 48 hours, almost 7,000 people have visited it, and which is cool. And it got me 628 subscribers, and this looks good actually. And but now in terms of revenue, ad revenue, I just made $30 from it. Well, it's up to 17th. Today I'm recording the video. Today is 19th. But anyway, so it's not really good, but for very beginners, this might be okay. But you see, this video is 7 hours long. I mean, 7 hour, 40 minutes. It's a pretty long video. I had to work hard for this, okay? I really had to work hard to, and this is a technical video. So you have to know that, I mean, I teach programming. So yeah, and so I need to know what I'm doing. So I put tons of hours to do this tutorial, but it was not complete over here. So it has another 5 hours that I didn't record on YouTube video. So what I'm trying to say, I did that, and then I got $30 from it, and the video published on January 3rd, and today is January 19th. So it's more like over 2 weeks. And over here in details, I want to show you one thing that I'm doing. So over here, I actually said, okay, buy me coffee if you want to motivate me. Well, almost I got no coffee from none of the fans, and sorry, the fans, but this is the reality that I had to go through, harsh reality. Okay, and over here, at the beginning, actually, they could come over here and get the complete code, because this is teaching about software program, which means code. And you can also come over here actually, and you'd be able to, I mean, I'm talking about the fans, you'd be able to come over here, and if you think my first 7 hours was good, or first few hours were good, then what you could do, you could come over here and download the complete source code even without watching the video. Video is the plus, but if you don't want to watch the video, you could come over here and you could do it. And yes, I made some sales over here. That's true. Like each time someone unlocks this, I make like 20 bucks, 12 bucks, as you can see over here. So yes, now I think I made around 8 sales from here. So 8 sales actually got me around $80. Okay, so in 2 weeks, $80. So I got that. So yeah, but now actually this is not proportional the amount of work I have done. Okay, so it's not really in 2 weeks. So I was doing research how to maximize my income. I've been doing it for over the last a little over over 1 year, and almost 2 years actually, I would say. But if you see my income revenue, actually what's happening here, if you come to the revenue section, I wouldn't say I'm doing great. As you see, sometimes over 20, 27, but it jumps a lot. Even recently, YouTube is cutting a lot of my revenues, and I really don't know why. My views are increasing, as you can see. Actually, watch time is increasing, subscribers is increasing, but actually, in fact, my revenue didn't increase for the last 2 weeks since I published the video. I don't know. But anyway, this is something that you can't really control with YouTube, that you have no control. You have to live with that as long as you use YouTube, okay? So I was researching how to maximize my income because I use tons of hours to record videos. Once again, these are technical videos. So I have to know the technology, I have to do the test, and then I record the videos. So yes, then I found that actually, if you are a course seller, and if you have concrete content, you should not just post your content on YouTube. You should also post in like some other platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, like those kind of platforms, okay? Now, first time I actually published my course, the same course I published over here, then I decided to publish on Udemy because I already made the video. I just had to cut them into pieces. And I got on Udemy, I think, in almost the last 10 days. So as you see, so this is, I'm using my Udemy over here for the last just 10 days. And in fact, if you come over here, courses, most probably would be able to see when I posted the video. Okay, well, I don't have any date over here. So I think it's around 10 days that I've been using Udemy to sell my course. And over here, I found amazing result. Last 7 days, I made $62 in revenue. While on YouTube, yes, I made some money from ads revenue, $30, as well as someone unlocked the code. That's like $80, so that's $110. But the way Udemy does, Udemy promotes your course, okay? And people, like, they want to learn professional thing because my technical thing is very professional. So they actually they don't really look for courses on YouTube because it could be a little messy and things like that. But on Udemy, it looks better the way they organize the courses and things like that. For example, over here, you'll see that, I'm sorry. So over here, you'll see that curriculum section. Actually, you can lay out your course section by section, lecture by lecture, and which is more readable and easy to use for students, okay? So that's why I started to upload my content on Udemy, and I found the result is actually amazing. It's amazing result. So I would suggest if you're a course seller, try to sell your course on Udemy as well. But there's a trick. You don't have to upload all of your video on YouTube. You don't do that because once people get free thing, you will make nothing out of it. It's not their fault. It's the human nature. We all same thing. You, me, and our fans, they're all same. You get a free thing, you don't want to thank people, or most of the time you may just say thank you. But thank you doesn't make money. So that's the harsh reality about YouTube and how to maximize your income. Now, this video could be watched by some of other friends because I do technology. I also sell course. I also have another YouTube channel. So some of my fans may follow that, but we are people. We don't really care about other people and their benefit. So like this video, I've been here for almost 1 year. Yes, I made $1,500, but I know this is one of the best videos on YouTube channel in my niche, one of the best. This content has nobody created ever. Everything together, I think pretty much I made 3,000, like over here, as well as someone bought my course video directly from me, so around $3,000. This is far less than what I would have made in Udemy. Okay, so yes, you can use YouTube as your traffic. You have to do that. I mean, if you don't have traffic, you go to Udemy, you won't sell, at least for first few weeks. It's very difficult. You have to have certain traffic. So you can use YouTube to draw traffic to your channel and then direct them to Udemy or other platforms. YouTube is still the main source of traffic, not the Udemy. On YouTube, people get free stuff. So on YouTube, people get free stuff. On Udemy, they have to pay. Even everyone pays you $2 or $3. Eventually, you still make a lot of money, okay? Because if you have a lot of fans. So try to maximize your income like that. So the trick is, don't post your complete video on YouTube. Never do that. Okay, like now this video I have posted here for 7.4 hours, which means 7 hours 40 minutes. And this video, actually the course is actually 12 hours, over 12 hours. So rest 5 hours pretty much I'm going to publish over here. I already did. I think I have another 30 minutes or so. I'm going to publish over here and finish it. So if people liked my course over here on YouTube, they will definitely come to Udemy to get the course completely done. So you have to live with the harsh reality. People like to live in comfort zone. They watch a video for free and they feel comfortable. They don't bother to say thank you by buying you a coffee or things like that. And I'm sorry, this is a human nature, and it's always like that. You, me, we are all same. So sometimes to make money, you have to force people. Okay, if this thing creates value to them, why they should not pay to you? Force them to pay. Hey, if you like my course, pay, and then you watch it. You don't have to pay so much. You can pay very little, but still you have to pay. You don't have to make things completely free, because if you do that, you lose your motivation, because you work so hard but you don't get nothing. Okay, so the idea is, don't sell your course directly on YouTube. Don't open it completely. Put part of it on YouTube and then rest part on Udemy, and then hopefully you will make more money. Thank you.